Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on the trading platform in Crystal Ball Markets Broker. As you can see, we are on the main page of your user cabin, and in the top panel, you can see the digital options option. By clicking on the digital options, a new page will open for you, which is your trading platform. Now, on your trading platform page at the top, as you can see, we have the indicators option. By clicking on it, you can add various indicators to your chart. Next, you can see the objects option. With this option, we can use MathQ, Hatut, Channel, or other tools to better perform our oaths. And in the next section, we will see the deposit and withdrawal options. In the next section of the left panel, you will see the most important tools for option trading. In this section, your account balance will be displayed, and in the next section, the profit from a correct prediction of a trade will be displayed. You can specify the time period of your transactions in this section, and the bit amount you want to make for this transaction is displayed in the bit section. You can see the current price, and there are options to predict the higher and lower price in this section. When you open a transaction, the details of that transaction are displayed in the options section. And after this transaction is completed, you can view your trading history in the options history section. By clicking on this section, you can change the displayed pair width, and by clicking on this option, you can change the displayed time frame from 1 minute to 1 month. By clicking on this option, you can view other Forex pairs in this broker, and if needed, add them to your watch list so that you can switch between these pairs more easily. In this section, you will view the chart, which is displayed to you with price and time details, and you can zoom in and out using these options. In the next section, the chart display type can be adjusted, and again here you can change the chart time frame. Again, in this section, some of the tools needed to perform analysis will be available to you, and by clicking on this option, you can access the economic calendar or make other changes to the chart details. In the right panel, as you can see, there are tools for clearing, bug reports, and you can see the settings. Also, in the traders rating section, you can see the traders ranking table. In the settings section, you can make changes related to the chart display type or general settings. In the lower right section, you can also select the chart display type from different options, so that one or multiple charts can be displayed to you. That was a complete explanation regarding Crystal Ball Markets Broker. For more tutorials, stay with us. Goodbye.